The best landscaping websites on the internet have three things in common. They look beautiful, they function well, and they stay fresh and updated. Landscaping websites are unique because they have the ability to show off large projects, outdoor projects, commercial projects, community-based projects in beautiful big pictures. So make sure that your website looks beautiful, that you're not just settling for less than great photos, because maybe customers will think you settle for less than great work. Make sure it's beautiful to Google, that it connects and indexes with Google and has the correct SEO optimization. Make sure your images aren't loaded directly from your iPhone in super fat, heavy, big images that a mobile phone can't load really quickly if I'm on the go trying to validate you online. So make sure that the beauty is not just in the appeal and the look. Make sure it's in the guts and the wisdom of how it's built. So make sure that your website for your landscaping company is beautiful. Secondly, make sure that it's functional, that it works well. What that means is customers should easily be able to land on your website, validate who you are, your commitment to the community, what your process is, what are your price points, and how to take that first step, how to get a quote, how to get an on-site consultation. Is it virtual? Is it in person? If you're building a landscaping website to grow your business, you need to make sure it easily takes people from arrival into conversion, meaning the first step of the sales process. It's rare that a landscaping website's going to take people from boom, landing on your website to here's $60,000 to build an outdoor fireplace and patio for me. Your landscaping website needs to slowly take people down that funnel to where they're talking with you, building trust, and then connecting. And lastly, a landscaping website has to stay fresh and updated. What's the newest dyes? What are the newest projects? What's the newest type of stamped concrete forms and features I can get? What is the latest backyard outdoor trends? Who are your newest team members? What are the latest reviews? What are the most recent projects you've done? It's got to stay fresh and updated. Your web design and development team has to make that super easy for you to build and launch a landscaping website. Good luck on your journey. Have a great time growing your business with a great landscaping website.